everyone and welcome to the world's easiest typography crash course. So let's just get started. Typography is just a fancy word for fonts, which is how words look on a screen. We'll break down typography in just 5 simple steps to make your text look good and read easily and become incredible in the world of UI UX design. So let's just go. Step 1. Words should be easy to read. Use clean screen-friendly fonts like Inter Roboto and SF Pro. Don't make text tiny. Stick to a certain number for all text no matter what happens inside of your UI. For example, when you're designing for phones, let font be at least 16 pixels small, and when you're designing for desktops, let your fonts be at least 14 pixels in size. And always use a strong level of contrast between the text and background color so your eyes aren't working overtime and deciding to pop out of your head, which is an unofficial medical hazard that can happen if your fonts are bad enough. Step 2. Don't use too many fonts. For most designs, 1 to 2 font families are just enough generally. And if you really want to, make sure to use 1 font family for headings and 1 for body text. And change weights regularly, regular bold, instead of switching fonts entirely when you want to signal a little bit of a change in hierarchy. For most cases, using serifs for headings and sans serifs for body text is becoming a tradition in the current trend of UI UX design in 2025. Step 3. Make important things look important. Big text is the most important text, medium text is the second most important text or the subheading, and the small text is the body text or extra details, and your layout should tell people where to look first without them having to think. Step 4. Give text room to breathe. Add space above, below and between lines and aim for a line height of around 1.2 to 1.4x of the actual font size. Crowded text feels overwhelming really quickly and makes people skip reading so fast. So just make sure to let there be room to breathe with text. Let there be white space, let there be negative space, area around the text with not too much happening. Step 5. Test it like a real human being. Look at your design on both a phone and a laptop. Yes, fonts look very different sometimes on phones and laptops simply because of how differently you're perceiving them now. Check it in light mode and dark mode and ask yourself, honestly, can I read this text without squinting? And that should be your answer to the question, is this typography good enough to go into production? So to summarize everything that we've talked about today, we broke down the giant concept of typography into 5 basic principles that absolutely everyone needs to know to make incredible UI UX designs on the internet. Number 1, make sure your fonts are actually big enough. Number 2, don't use too many fonts. 1 to 2 is generally enough. Number 3, make the important stuff bigger, bolder, wider, and look important. Number 4, let there be enough breathing room, white space, negative space. Don't make fonts too crowded. And number 5, make sure to test your fonts on real devices. That has been the most beginner-friendly interpretation of the giant concept that is typography. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the other videos we do on this channel. Make sure to check out this playlist that we're doing for typography this week. It's just so incredible and it'll just make you understand all of typography from the basics to the advanced stuff. And check out this playlist for more UI UX design videos. I'll see you in the next one. Alright, love you, bye.